Welcome back to Cooking with Ash. Hope everyone is doing great. So today we're making some Gulgula, Gulgula, Gulgula. I know that song. Oh, Midi Janam. So yeah, now we're making Gulgula. I have my ingredients here. I have 3. I see how the banana overripe. It's speckled how you overripe. So we're gonna start with that. We're gonna just get it out of the skin. And this is perfect banana for Gulgula. You know nobody nigga want to eat this, right? You can either put them make banana bread, banana muffin, put them in smoothie. But I love Gulgula, so we're making Gulgula. Me specifically save them for Gulgula. That we specifically save them for. Justin, let me get the whisk in here in the drawer. Yeah, I got Justin helping me. Justin is my record man. I'm not going with my fingers and break it up because it's very soft. You can put raisins and cherries and stuff like that in here. If you're gonna put the whole raisin, make sure you chop it up, because if you put it whole like that, and you'll have to soak it too. If you put it whole like that, when you go fry it, it go in the oil, it go explode. The raisin is gonna swell up and it's gonna explode. And you don't want that, right? You don't want one big commotion. So squish up your banana good. Or you can puree it. You don't got to do the banana soft enough for you to squish it up. And yes, before anybody goes say anything, my fingernail shot and me wash my hand, because I know everybody be like, oh, you didn't wash your hand. You're using your hand. Where's your gloves? I buy me some. I'm gonna use some puree fruits that I have here, and this is just like cherries, raisin, dates, currants, all thing blend up here. I'm just using a little bit. Mix this in. Gulgula was one of my favorite things during Pagwa time. I would go to my family, well, my mom's side family is Hindu. We would go there, and my chachi, poor lady by whole day a poor lady knows they cook inside the kitchen. And you know, back in days, them just get them outside kitchen. So it's outside, it's not inside with their five side and like a little shed over. Oh God, make there poor lady there fry goja, a fry pulori, make gulgula, you name it. And me knows that if I help she eat them. I wish she was alive today for me to cook with her, because she was a great cook, an amazing woman. In goes my little butter. Mix it in all well. I went ahead and grated some nutmeg and cinnamon powder into my flour here, and you know, you can leave that out if you don't like it, but I'm just flavoring it up, you know, flavor up everything. I'm going with my brown sugar. Brown and nice like me. You know, brown sugar, girl got to use brown sugar in your recipe. Mix it in. Oh my God, you smell that, Justin? It smells so good, right?
Yeah.
The banana ripe and nice. You want to mix it in well. So for this, you have to watch your flour amount. Remember, everyone flour absorb liquid differently, so maybe you might need a little bit more flour, or you know, a little bit less. If you add the 1.5 cup that I add and it looks like a little too stiff, you can go ahead and add a little touch milk to bring it together. But if it's too runny, you can add a little bit more flour to, you know, get the right consistency. And I like to use my finger because for me, honestly, I feel the texture better. So I went in with my cinnamon powder, my nutmeg, and my flour, and you're gonna mix this. I am sure Gulgula is gonna be on everybody's table for Pagwa. I'm gonna add my baking powder and some yeast and mix this in. You don't want a runny batter, and you don't want a too thick batter, you know? You want to mix this nice in, make sure everything is blended in nice. And for me, it looked like it need a little touch more flour, so I'm gonna add a little bit more flour. You know, I don't want it too runny. Justin, go grab me a little bit more flour. This is why you need a handyman when you cook. Gulgula. You see, usually I test it like this. Pick it up in my hand and squeeze it. And when it hold form, you know, not too form. You're not gonna be too form. It's good. So it's a little bit too runny for me. So, you know, Remember the texture of this right now is when you fry it, you know, it's gonna be like that. So Justin brought about a half cup more flour here, so I'm gonna gradually add it, mix it until I achieve that nice texture I'm looking for. Coco and Rio scream down the liver. So I'm gonna finish this up and then I'm gonna bring you in close so you can see what it's looking like, the texture you should look for. So this is what it's looking like. Nice, that's the texture you're looking for. You see when you pick it up and beat it, it's like a nice pull. That's what you're looking for. Go ahead and cover this and let it rest for about maybe 40 minutes or so, and then we're gonna fry this up. Let the yeast and everything activate this and get them a nice fluff. I like play with batter, you know, and get them a nice little beat, like if you're gonna beat bara. Yeah, baby, we're good there. You see, it's not too runny. That's what you're looking for, dear. So it's time to start frying up these delicious gulgula. I have my oil heating up here, and this is what it's looking like after about maybe 35-40 minutes. This is what it's looking like. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna use this skill for try pick up and squeeze, or you can use a spoon, scoop it and drop. Okay, if you can't do that, or use a little ice cream scoop, drop. Use whatever skills you get here, and if you don't have any skill, just figure it out. Let's do this. So I'm just gonna grab a little bit and I'm gonna start squeezing it into the oil. And you want to keep your oil here medium to low, like if you're doing pulauri, you know. You want to try to get the thing wrong, but if you're not wrong, it's okay. Keep your oil medium to low. Some people just get them think this wrong, but you know how to just do it, but you know, you girl get that skill set yet, should try, you know. Drop it, boy, drop it. It just gave a little peak, but it's not bad. It's okay. My pulauri has come out a little bit more wrong than this though. And not overcrowd the pan. You want the thing get enough space to fry nice. And get your spoon and start, you know, rotate it so it achieve a nice beautiful color. This is why I said keep your oil medium to low. You know, when your oil is screaming hot, then the outside is gonna get brown very quickly and the inside is not gonna cook. So, you know, just rotate the oil like that in a stirring motion, and when it achieve a beautiful nice golden brown color, you're in business. You fish them out and that's it. You dash a little powdered sugar over it if you want to and serve it up. Hot cup of tea or hot cup of coffee. When your gulgula achieve a nice beautiful golden brown color like these here, you want to fish them out of the oil. That's what you're looking for, and drain it well on a pan with a piece of paper towel. Now that the gulgula done nice golden brown color, it's crispy on the outside. Well, I'm gonna get picking for taste test, so me got to taste this and I'll happy do it for you guys. So let's do this. Oh, wrong side. Look at that. Look how fluffy it is. It's fluffy like your mother. Fluffy like your mama. And it's so tasty and so delicious. So I hope you guys try this recipe. To all my Hindu brothers and sisters who is celebrating Pagwa, sending you Pagwa greetings, and I hope you guys have a blessed holiday with your, you know, friends and family. Thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen. I hope I enjoy the gulgula recipe. See you guys soon with another delicious recipe. So stay safe, stay blessed, and love you all you. Okay, love you. Bad.